you know what, guys? I just thought about something. I was thinking that I should start making a video series called 2 minutes or less. So that means that every video that I put out, it'll be under 2 minutes or less. Because sometimes I have something to say, or I just remember something, and I could just record it really quick, edit it, upload it, and hopefully it'll be 2 minutes or less, like I said. So 2 minutes or less video series. Also because I'm a YouTube junkie. I just like watching YouTube more than television, and I don't like watching long videos. I mean, sometimes I do. Don't get me wrong. I watch them because they're entertaining, information, or something. I will watch them, but some videos I just click away, watch a different one. So I think I'm going to start this video series that's going to be called 2 minutes or less. So let's see how it works out. If it doesn't work out, I'll probably change the name to 2.5 minutes or less, or 3 minutes or less. Let's see what happens. So just letting you know, guys, this is what's going to be happening. So alright, later.